What's up, guys? Pipe Up 101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download models with animations and get those animations working in Unity, like this black dragon. First off, we're going to need to go to Sketchfab so we can download some models. Once you're here, let's do something cool like a robot. Select Downloadable, Animated, and let's do this one. It's cool looking. Animation is decent, so you scroll down to download 3D model. You download it, and let's name it robot. Open it up. Put it in the folder. All you're gonna do is drag it into Unity, like so, and let's open it up. Let's move it over a little bit and make it a little bigger so it's easy for you to see. Separate it from the rest. Now it's very simple. All you're going to do is check, make sure it has an animation on it. What I always do is change the name of it so it's easier. So when you click on the main picture, you click on animation right here. This has the animations that are built in with the model. And since it's the robot, name it to robot. Scroll down and select apply, because you want it to loop in this instance. If you don't select apply, it won't actually work. Now you go to create animator controller. Let's name this robot as well. This is what controls the animation, so double click on that. When you double click on it, this opens up. Now you scroll over to your robot, you drag it in, make sure to save it, and that's it. So now we go to, let's unpack the prefab. We type in animator, you drag in the robot, click on animation, and there you go. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. And that's the end of this. So see you next time.